Now, who doesn't like a nice clean bathroom in your RV? And when I said on this title page, this is the best bathroom mod ever, it's the best one that I've ever done to my RV because of the convenience and cleanliness of it. And what I'm talking about is the job of keeping the toilet clean. Now, this is a great slide, except you'd have to replace the lady's picture with mine because my wife would never get into this at all. It's the man's job. And I hated it. You know, the toilet in your RV is made to conserve water. So when you flush it, it doesn't always do the job. So what I came up with, and I call this my poop sprayer, I've put a kitchen sprayer in my bathroom attached into my water line so that when the toilet is flushed and there's still debris in the toilet, I can quickly rinse it with this little sprayer here. The sprayer is also long enough to go over to the bathroom sink, so when I wash the sink, clean it, you want to rinse it out nicely, you can do it. And this is a very economical way to do it in two parts. It's an economical system to install, probably cost under $20, and it's also economical on your water supply in your RV. You can control the amount of water that you spray with the little handle, and it uses next to nothing to do a nice job and keep that bathroom clean. You can see here what I did is I hung the sprayer through a slot that I cut into my towel bar. You can see the little slot right there that I cut into the towel bar. Now thankfully, because of the cheap products that they put into the RV, this was not a metal towel bar. This was a piece of plastic, so I cut it quite easily with just an X-Acto knife. I cut out a slot large enough that the handle from the sprayer would fit into there and hold it in place. Now you can see here it's all nicely neat and installed. That's how it looks. Now the funny thing is, I did this years and years and years ago, and now the poop sprayer is a fairly common option, or I guess they're not even optioning it anymore. They're putting them into the bathrooms as a convenience item. So somebody obviously watched my video quite a few number of years ago, picked up on this, and used this idea to incorporate into their production line. So I take credit for that. In this next picture, you can see I've circled the yellow circle there. There is a line, the little arrow, yellow little arrow there is pointing to my water line, which is not hidden at all. It's just laying across the floor, comes out of the cabinet and goes over to the toilet. And that line there, I just simply put in a T and teed in the sprayer and found my mounting spot. Now you may not have a towel bar that's conveniently located for this setup, but you can buy a little clip like a broom. You have these broom clips for hanging up brooms. You could screw that to your wall and clip it in, and there you go, you've got your own poop sprayer, and I tell you, you will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can use this, and like I say, once you install this, you will agree with me that this is one of the most convenient mods you'll ever do to your trailer because of the cleanliness it affords to your bathroom.